Good morning. Thank you for calling Grand Hotel. My name is Joel. How may I help you today?
I would like to book a table reservation.
I will be happy to assist you with your reservation. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Ivan Comendador.
Thank you for that information. When you would like to book your reservation, Mr. Comendador?
Tomorrow, February 14, 2024.
Alright, a table for how many persons, please?
A table for two, please.
Do you have any special request?
No.
Since it's Valentine's Day tomorrow, we offer special heart-shaped cake for only 500 pesos. Would you like to order one?
Yes, please. Reserve one cake for me.
Alright, may I have your contact number, please?
Yes, that's 0922-111-2222.
May I also have your address, please?
Yes, that's Santo Angel, Purok 3, San Pablo City.
How would you like to settle your bill tomorrow, sir? Are you going to use check card or cash?
Cash payment, please.
Alright, sir. Let me just verify if I got all the information correctly. I have reserved a table for two tomorrow, February 14, 2024 at 7 in the evening. I also reserved one heart-shaped cake that costs 500 pesos. This reservation is under your name, Mr. Ivan Comendador. Your contact number is 0922-111-2222. And your address is Barangay Santo Angel, Purok 3, San Pablo City, Laguna. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Is there anything else that I may assist you with?
That would be all. Thanks.
Alright, sir. Thank you for having business with us. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Goodbye. God bless.